How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And some of you guys have been asking, do VPNs slow down your internet? The answer is yes. But of course, the time it takes to encrypt your traffic to make it secure so that you are not intercepted by, let's say, cyber criminals or cyber thieves on a public Wi-Fi, that is going to take some time to encrypt your traffic so that you're not intercepted by governments or cyber thieves or whatever it is. So as a result, your connection speed will go down. But of course, a premium VPN will minimize that drop in speed. And here I've got 3 of the best VPNs you can get. I've tested over a couple dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these 3 as the best VPNs overall. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as the top 3 VPNs video if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs. So I've tested these VPNs using the Swiss server and the LA server, and this is my connection without any VPN encryption, 4.73 megabits per second, nothing too impressive. So I'd appreciate it if these VPNs did not drop my speed any further. And you can take a look here at the Swiss server with ExpressVPN at 4.43, barely any drop. With NordVPN 4.29 on the Swiss server and 4.03 with Surfshark. And moving on to the LA server, by the way, I'm somewhere near the European region, so that's why I'm going to get better connection speed than with LA. So 4.19 with ExpressVPN, 4.20 with NordVPN, and 4.17 with Surfshark. So overall, any speed drops between 10 and 20%, but in this case, we have an example here. So 4.43 and 4.29. This is below the 10% threshold, just around the 10%, give or take, a couple of percentages. So that is pretty impressive for a VPN. Typically, you'll see most VPNs drop your speed by about 40 to 50%, but with these premium VPNs, you'll be able to minimize that drop. But I definitely recommend using the best performing protocols, such as the lightweight UDP protocol with ExpressVPN, the Nord Links protocol with NordVPN, and finally with Surfshark, the WireGuard protocol, which is going to be your best option to maximize your speeds while connected to the VPN, and of course at the same time keeping your data safe. So again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as a full review in the top 3 VPNs video for all these 3 VPNs if you guys are interested in learning more about them. Of course, they all have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you are able to try out these services risk-free, and they have 24/7 live chat support. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.